Hi there, everybody. This is John Drew here from Elevated Planet.
And Jolé Gabrielle here from Elevated Planet, and we'd like to welcome you to today's show. It's jam-packed, and John is going to tell us more about it.
Thank you, Jolé. Yes, we're talking about doubling down on divine neutrality, and there's a good reason for that. In this last week, we've seen escalations of tensions in the Middle East. We are being drawn towards looking at the narrative that is taking place right now. So this is the big test, okay? Because if you watch the news, which I try not to, you will be drawn in to some of the density. But the important thing is to find your divine neutrality, is to be able to find your inner peace, to find your joy, regardless, because whatever you focus your energy upon is what you are feeding. Okay. So what you want to do is feed the good stuff. You want to feed the joy. You want to feed. Now, how do you do that when you're confronted with war? How do you do that when you're confronted with a battle that may escalate further? And, this is the test, right? It's not going to be easy. We chose to be here to take this test and to rise above it. In that case, then we are going to head into your meditation, correct?
All right, let's do it.
Right, here we go, guys. We are going to switch screens again, and Jolé will work her magic.
Okay, so put your feet flat on the floor and your palms face up on your thighs. Bring your awareness to the center of your chest and begin to breathe with the rhythm of your body. And behind the darkness that's in your eyes, that focus on it and just feel this electricity of life running through your body. Feel it. All of the blood and the cells in your body, we're going to turn them heart-shaped. And those pathways, those veins, those arteries, those muscles, those ligaments are lined with gold. And just this beautiful sense of wellness, of belonging, of just being able, knowing that you are powerful enough to change the quantum wave structure starting with you. So before we even ground into Mother Earth, we're just going to send beauty and joy and life and wellness all throughout our bodies from this space of love in the heart. It is your birthright, worthy and deserving of love and wellness and healing pulsating through your body as you ground your energy by visualizing a grounding cord that is 6 inches in diameter, connected to your first chakra between your sit bones of a natural earth element. As this energy moves through what you're sitting or laying on, through the floor, working its way down through Mother Earth, traveling at the speed of love, your grounding cord roots itself into the core of Mother Earth, receiving all her nurturing energy, her love. Be receptive. As you give this beautiful energy to her, she gives it right back to you. But first, we're going to clean off our grounding cord by visualizing beautiful, lovely, golden rose-shaped scrubbing bubbles, blanketing the inside and the outside of your grounding cord. My grounding cord is like of a gold webbing. So beautiful. Whatever yours is, clean it off as you bring your awareness back to your heart and you allow for Mother Earth and her assistants to do their thing. As you bring your awareness back to your breath And you pull your aura in to be 1.5 feet around you. You command your higher self to stand at the power position above your crown, and you snap in that astral body. And as you breathe in through your nose and gently out through your mouth, visualize the bottoms of your feet opening like the lens of a camera as you call in that 15% earth energy of a color that resonates with you. While simultaneously, your crown opens and 85% cosmic gold comes raining down from the heavens, raining down on your higher self, coming down through your aura, focusing itself down your crown, and just lighting you up, electrifying all of the cells and the atoms in your body, because love recognizes love. It just let it fill you up. Let it bring more wellness. Let it bring more love, compassion, and forgiveness into all the cells of your body. You can feel that energy as you sit in your heart, and it moves past you, and it moves down into your belly, and it mixes in with that earth energy. And then it begins to fill you up like water fills up a cup. And it just, warmth is just moving all throughout your body, empowering you, lighting you up, taking you back to 0 point, where everything is as it should be. Everything is interconnected. And as these pathways and these channels are just filling up with gold, with life force, with love, compassion, forgiveness, joy, moving up throughout all your body, your hand chakra opens and allows for this energy to start sprouting out and filling up your aura layer. As it starts to sprout out the side channel of your crown, releasing from your energy everything you're ready to let go of and release, to move you into that new energy of neutrality, joy, subtlety, and peace. So from this place of love, I want you to light up that portal between your heart and your mind, the center of your head, rather. And move your awareness through this beautiful golden portal and up into the center of your head. And here, I want you to send down that portal all the way down the grounding cord. I want you to light it up and see it gold all the way down, as that earth energy and that cosmic divine life force energy works with your body. I want you to remove and resolve by sending any negativity down, any worry, any doubt, any fear. Turn it bright red in your brain, in your mind, the prefrontal cortex, the limbic system, the cerebrum, the cerebellum, all those parts of the brain where there's worry, there's doubt, there's fear, there's dis-ease, illness. I want you to just send it all down your grounding cord, down that portal and down that grounding cord, as that earth energy and that 85% cosmic gold fill up those spaces and places in your brain where there was negative programming, limiting beliefs, past haunting you, DNA being repaired and reprogrammed for your wellness and your most loving good. This is your energy. Get rid of what no longer serves you and fill up with the possibilities that are limitless of unconditional love, wellness, abundance, and the laws of the universe, all coursing throughout your mind, your body, and your spirit. As the energy moves through you, and your heart and your mind are one. So as you fill up with this beautiful divine energy, and there is now a unity of consciousness within you, visualize your most loving good. See peace. See mankind coming together, holding hands across the universe, bathing illness and disease in that beautiful blue light, blue golden light of healing, of restoration. See mankind and humanity moving into a place of unspeakable beauty. What does that look like? What does that feel like? What does it sound like? Feel that energy of bliss, of joy, of a high vibration, of your purpose unfolding before you. Breathe with the rhythm of your body. It is safe for you to have these things, be these things, and do these things. Let your nervous system know it is safe for me to be free. It is safe for me to be vulnerable. So as you breathe with the rhythm of your body, and you see that vision of yourself and your environment and mankind and Mother Earth, all healed and well. And there's magnificence and joy. Bring that energy, that vision down into your heart. Move through that beautiful golden portal from the center of your head down into the center of your heart. And bring that energy and that bliss and that joy and that healing with you. And let that propagate. Let your heart beat with that rhythm all throughout your body and your systems, bringing in that love, that joy, and that togetherness. Bringing that within your body and changing that quantum wave structure to be one of neutrality, joy, and peace. So now, from a place of love, I want you to take a deep breath in, hold it, and gently exhale. Take another deep breath in and gently exhale and relax into your new energy. So now breathe in through your nose for a count of 5. Hold it for a count of 5. And exhale for a count of 5. And visualize your feet chakras closing like the lens of a camera, and that beautiful earth energy receding back into Mother Earth. Take another deep breath in. Hold it and exhale. This time, I want you to see a golden sun above your head. And this golden sun is your master manifestation energy. All of the things you saw in your mind and in your heart that have been programmed into your cells are going to be solidified, sent out into the world, and pave the way. So in this golden sun, put that master manifester juice straight from divine energy. This golden sun sits in that beautiful 85% cosmic gold that's raining down from the heavens. And all you have to do is just see the words Master Manifester on this golden sun. And that essence from the divine restructures itself, fills up that golden sun, and then it flows with that golden river of cosmic life force down through your higher self, breaking apart as it comes through that aura layer, focusing itself. Some of that energy going down the aura layers, the rest of it coming down through your crown, filling up every part of you, binding with those beautiful, loving cells, atoms, and just filling you up, meeting with the ones in the aura layer. As you see this essence just light you up all the way down your grounding cord, chasing away those golden rose-shaped scrubbing bubbles as this essence binds, this beautiful divine essence binds to your grounding cord as those golden rose-shaped scrubbing bubbles disintegrate into the core of Mother Earth, turning into life force energy for anyone to use. And take another deep breath in, and you close your hand chakras and your crown chakras, and you watch that divine life force energy ascend back up into the heavens. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes.